Top tips for writing an effective landing page. If you have an amazing product or affiliate product, then all you need to do is create an amazing landing page to sell it and then send people there. It's a very simple model and it works every time. Or at least it does when you get the individual ingredients right. And one of the key ingredients here is your landing page and the text you use here. This is your sales script, and this is what you're going to be using to make your product sound like something your audience has to buy right away. So, how do you go about writing in a way that really motivates people to buy? Here are some top tips that can really help. Use questions. What can help you to engage people in your text more? Rhetorical questions, of course. Just like that one, a rhetorical question might not require an answer, but it immediately feels like we're being spoken to, which makes us sit up and take notice. What's more, it makes us pause and reflect on what we're reading, which engages us more in the text. Use a narrative. Stories are highly powerful. Few things have the ability to engage us or get us to emote in quite the same way that a story does. And when you use your stories in the right places, this will get your audience to read and keep reading. Have you ever stayed up all night watching a film you didn't enjoy? That's because you wanted to see how it ended, which in turn comes from our desire to listen to stories. Allay fears. Remember that as your reader looks through your script, they are going to have a little voice in their head going, "Yeah, right, and heard it all before." Your job then is to silence that critic and to explain why your product is different. Instead of trying to avoid the possible criticisms of your product or service, tackle them head on and demonstrate why they aren't actually applicable in your particular case. Add urgency when you make a sales script. Your goal is to encourage an immediate conversion. You don't want them to go away and think about it, because they'll only be likely to buy in the short term once they've read the rest of your persuasive script. Add to the urgency then by explaining that you only have X left, or that the price will go up soon.